Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the gaming performance of Delta Force on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now in today's video, I will play Delta Force on all the graphics with the maximum frame rate supported. Now as you can see, the battery is currently at 78% and the battery temperature is at 30.9 degrees Celsius. Now the Samsung Galaxy A26 supports Delta Force on smooth graphics with ultimate frame rate, standard graphics with high frame rate, and exquisite graphics with medium frame rate, and it also supports HD graphics on low frame rate. And it does not support ultimate graphics and max graphics. Now first of all, I will play Delta Force on smooth graphics with ultimate frame rate. Now as you can see, this is the gyro performance. Now the gaming performance of Delta Force on smooth graphics with ultimate frame rate is pretty good. I did not face any lag or any FPS drops while playing the game, and the temperature of the smartphone is normal. Now let's increase the graphics to standard and the FPS to high. Now the gaming performance of Delta Force on standard graphics with high frame rate is pretty good. I did not face any lag or any FPS drops while playing the game. Now let's increase the graphics to exquisite and the FPS to medium. Now the gaming performance of Delta Force on Exquisite graphics with medium frame rate is pretty good. I did not face any lag or any FPS drops while playing the game. Now let's increase the graphics to HD and the FPS to low. Now this time I will start screen recording while playing the game. Now the gaming performance of Delta Force on HD graphics with low frame rate is pretty good. I did not face any lag or any FPS drops while playing the game, and I was screen recording the whole time I was playing the game. Now the temperature of the smartphone is normal and the battery is currently at 76% and the battery temperature is at 30.8 degrees Celsius. And this is the gaming performance of Delta Force on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.